Maybe one day I'll get to make another video on my sweet Honda. Or my V6 Turbo Accent that's been taking me years. Or my Beta Swap 2-liter Accent, which used to wreck people in races. But then the motor got wrecked. Yay! Which is pretty cool because the Hyundai motors can fit a 4G63 turbo manifold. Just saying. Anyways, I know how you kids like these unboxing videos. So like I said earlier, I didn't go with the XDD clutch, factory clutch. I went with the M-Pact. Save a couple bucks. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, nicely packaged. Look at that. Oh, look. And it's the parts we ordered. And it came with grease, ceramic lube, oh, Swiss ceramic formula. Oh, the Swiss know where it's at, right? The luck. I got these parts from Rock Auto. They do not pay me, clearly. Apparently the flywheels were like $1,000 for Mitsubishi in the city. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at it. Again, look what's inside. It's the part we ordered. Very nice. So there's my unboxing video for you. Now I'll show you some real tech work and stuff that you want to know, or you should know, or you should want to learn how to know. Not just how to open boxes.